ازيكم. How to solve sophisticated and unusual questions while you are learning, self-learning online, which delay your progress. Very stupid questions, like these ones. This question, this one, very stupid question. So, and I have 5 tries, and then I stay for 1 day for giving me another trials. So it will delay my progress in this course. How to do this? You have to copy this and ask ChatGPT or Grok or DeepSeek, any AI. So print screen, take this. Print screen. Take this, and then go to any AI engine and ask him to answer the question in the attached image. Okay, you copy this one and ask this question, and this is the image. Control V and answer the question in the attached image. So here the answer drafting and brainstorming. You go back and select drafting and brainstorming and check. Still the problem is incorrect. So here the AI failed. So try again. Brainstorming and proofreading, editing tone and design is not neat. And check. Still want to check with AI? Yes, check with AI. Get full access here. No, I don't need this access. So I will try here. Select the description can help you with when you need to generate text content. Text content. Drafting, only drafting. Try again. Drafting only. Try again. Brainstorming only. Try again. Select all. This one. It's all. But this is not editing tone and style. It's not the solution. It's a problem in this question.